Hello everybody, this is AndreJMcClendon coming at you guys with a Microventures update. I'm going to be reviewing the company called Grow with Jane. It just launched on their platform, so let's check it out. So guys, here's Grow with Jane. Now it just started, only got 4 investors at $400. So I highlighted some key points that you guys really want to pay attention to if you want to put money into this company. Now I'm not telling you what to do with your money, just some important key points that even I'm looking at that I think you guys should be aware. All right, guys. So the first people to put up the first 25,000 is going to get a 20% discount valuation. So if you guys get converted to a stock, you guys will get a better valuation than the people who invest after $25,000. See, 20% discount from $2 million or $2.5 million. Okay, so that's the perk that you get, the 20% off. It's pretty nice. So if you're looking at this company and they are going to be IPOing, it might be a good opportunity to get in that cheap difference. So we're gonna look at what do they do. Now, Grow with Jane is a mobile app designed for recreational cannabis growers of all skills. It guides users through the every step from germination based on follow information. App keeps track of plants, reminders, and water, add nutrients, and bug repellent or trim. Additionally, this company is planning to introduce an online forum where people can discuss their growing methods. So if you're in the cannabis field, this can definitely help you out while growing. So there's some viable use for it. All right, so the next big point that I want to say is, what are they going to use the money with, right? It's always something that you should be reading. What are they going to use the funds for? Now, Grow with Jane aims to use, I'll raise the minimum 25K and a maximum 107,000 in this crowdfunding offering. The company has allocated 38% of the funds towards marketing, which I do like. I like that they're putting the biggest chunk towards that, because if they get some sales, this can help the company go up better. So I'm going to go into sales portion, how much is their gross revenue, or if there is any revenue, just to go over that. Just give me a second. 33% to software development, 24% operation, 5% to intermediate fees. This company has been discreet and altered proceeds based on general economic conditions, change in business needs. So marketing, I like that, is really, really big. That I hope they get some more memberships for their company. So let's look at their memberships, the business model, right? Now there's a freemium for their app, and this allows basic features such as journals, calendars for free. Now the paid subscription is $7.49 per month and $34.99 a year, or $30 after you pay up front. So you get different bundles, get the learning bundle, planning bundle, expert bundle, and the full package. Now, these 3 tiers, with Grow with Jane, surveyed members at 50%, 35% interveners, and 15% for experts. Obviously, there's going to be less people at the higher end and more at the lower end, which is fine. So, average daily monthly users per month. That's pretty good. So, looking at about 24,000 people per month, which is really, really good to use their app. But when it comes to the paying subscribers by month, now this is interesting. They have 296 people. And I know they just started in July of 2019. So think about it, guys. When you're looking at this, 296. So just do some math, right? 296. And just saying everybody does the 749, right? You're talking about only $2,217 per month. Now, that's not a lot of money, especially with a company like this, because we're about to go into some of their numbers on that. So Grow with Jane just introduced their revenue model in July 2019. Cool. So total expenditures by month. So look at this right here. Remember, they just introduced it. So 6,000. Like they're running some very expensive things. $17,000 a month. 8,700. $30,000 a month. So you can see that they're bleeding for money. They're bleeding right now. They need some money badly, because you can see office expenditures are rent, $22K, meals and entertainment, legal and professional, travel, advertising and marketing, and other expenditures. All right. So in January, Grow incurred a net loss of $27,000. So remember, guys, this company needs money. They're trying to see is trying to get money from or through Microventures to raise it. So understand that they're going to need a whole bunch more members just to generate a profit. Okay. So they said they had a pretty big one because they did in August a one-time fee of $13,000. So August, $13,000. Okay, they pay down their rent. Okay, that's cool. As ranked, so as of February, the company has approximately $28,473 in the bank. Since April 2019, Grow with Jane average monthly burn rate is of $16,011. So they really need money, guys. So understand that they really need money, and based on their product and use, maybe you'll use this, maybe your friends will use this, but just make sure, just understand that where they're going to be going with the company with this. All right. So deal count and cannabis. I mean, you guys can go through these numbers. This is their competition. So if you have time, go through and see what their competition does and how successful they're doing. And here's your team. Now, since this company just started out, there's not many questions or discussions. So a couple questions I would say is like, what are your expectations, or what are you guys doing to get more members? How could you guys increase your members per month? Those are some of the general questions that I would ask on the discussion board. If you guys have any questions for them, ask them on here. Now, if you're interested in this company, drop a comment below. Tell me what you guys think about it. For me, this company just needs a lot of more members. It seems like it's a membership-based company. And if you guys have any questions or comments for me, just hit me up on my social media, Facebook, Instagram, or hit me up on YouTube. So that's the video, guys. Thank you guys for making it to the end. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks.